Ever wondered why the simple seat belts became such a big deal in the automobile industry? Let me explain. In the 1950s, car accidents were skyrocketing, and that is why this issue had to be solved, and safety wasn't becoming a big priority. Volvo engineer Nils Bohlin invented the three-point seat belt to solve the safety issue, and that was in the year 1959. But here's the amazing part. Volvo made the patent open and gave it to all the car manufacturers, thus increasing the safety in every passenger car that was manufactured, and they let them use it for free. It's one invention that has saved millions of lives all over the world. And that shows that simplicity is sometimes the key to solve big problems.